Hey, Sam Samad back again with the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. And the all-new Navigator includes Sync 3 with support for AppLink, which enables you to control a variety of smartphone apps on both Android and iOS platforms using the screen and voice controls through the vehicle itself. And one of the features that is unique to Lincoln and Ford vehicles is support for Alexa. And right now I'm going to give you a spoiler warning. If you have an Amazon voice assistant device, you might want to mute the microphone right now, because I'm going to say the A word a few times in the next couple of minutes. And so go ahead and mute that before you continue watching the rest of the video. All right, for the rest of us, as I said, over the last couple of years, we've seen a number of manufacturers, including Hyundai and BMW and others, come out with support for Alexa skills. So if you have an Amazon Echo device at home, you can use the Alexa skills to command various things in your car, like you can tell it to remote start or lock the car, or check the fuel levels, or if you've got an electric vehicle, you can also have it check the state of charge of the battery. Well, Ford is the first manufacturer to actually include support for what's called Alexa voice services, which means that the vehicle itself actually becomes effectively an Amazon Echo device on wheels. And as you can see on the screen, the Lincoln and Alexa app just popped up here, and the Alexa skills or the Alexa voice services are actually run through AppLink. So once you've paired your phone to the car, you can use the Lincoln Alexa app, or in a Ford vehicle, it would be the Ford plus Alexa app. And it actually executes the voice commands through the app on your phone rather than from the vehicle itself. Although your commands are going through the microphone in the vehicle, and you can launch it from the screen. You just say, Alexa, play me a song.
A station you might like. Top hip hop from Amazon Music.
The nice things about the way the Alexa works is you can actually just say the wake word while something else is playing, like Alexa, and it'll interrupt. And then you can say, what's the weather today?
It's 53 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can look for mostly sunny weather with a high of 57 degrees and a low of 39 degrees.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What do politics and maple syrup have in common? They're both sticky subjects.
Alexa, let's play Jeopardy.
This is Jeopardy! And now, here is the host of Jeopardy, Alex Trebek.
Thanks, Johnny, and welcome, players. Did you know that every Jeopardy category has an extra sixth clue? And those clues have remained under wraps until now. J6 is your chance to play these extra clues in categories from the latest broadcast. If you play every day, you'll get to see how you stack up, and always remember to respond in the form of a question.
Today's first category is Other Wonder Women. Natalia Romanova is the real name of this Marvel hero.
Who is Black Widow?
That's correct.
You can do pretty much anything you can do from any other Amazon Echo device right from your car using this app through AppLink, including turning on your lights as you're coming home, or adjusting the temperature of your thermostat. The system is a little slow to respond, and it's actually listening for the wake word from the microphone of your phone. So if you're going to use this, you need to make sure that your phone is not in a pocket or purse. It needs to be out somewhere where your microphone can hear your voice. But other than that, it actually works surprisingly well. See you next time.